In the cold, pristine Antarctic Ocean, we find the tiny crustacean known as Antarctic krill. The krill is rich in omega-3 phospholipids and the naturally occurring antioxidant astaxanthin. Antarctic krill oil is the world's purest source of marine omega-3. Antarctic krill is found in great abundance all around the Antarctic continent. The estimated biomass of Antarctic krill is twice the biomass of the worldwide human population. Traditional trawling is not suitable because krill rapidly self-destructs under such stress. To preserve the high quality of a krill catch, gentle harvesting followed by immediate processing is essential. Aker BioMarine has developed and patented a new technology for krill harvesting and processing called Aker Eco-Harvesting. The trawl net remains submerged throughout the continuous harvesting operation. A conveyor hose is attached to the net. A steady stream of water flows through the hose, bringing live, fresh krill directly on board the ship. This new technology also successfully prevents bycatches of other species. Aker BioMarine cooperates closely with World Wildlife Fund Norway to ensure sustainable management of Antarctic resources.
WWF Norway has a partnership with Aker BioMarine to ensure sustainable harvesting of krill in the Southern Ocean. Aker is a proactive player and have implemented all the required conservation measures, and they're also substantially contributing to research and science.
The Marine Stewardship Council has awarded its Sustainable Fishery Certificate to Aker BioMarine.
WWF feels proud to have a partnership with Aker BioMarine, and we feel confident that this will lead to increased conservation results in the Southern Ocean.
A sophisticated processing plant on board Aker BioMarine's ship turns the krill into high-value products. The entire catch is utilized. Nothing goes to waste. Superba Krill Oil is made from just one species. It is also the only marine omega-3 featuring 100% product traceability. Aker BioMarine can trace each product back to the exact position where the krill was harvested. Aker BioMarine has established a comprehensive scientific program. Studies demonstrate the benefits of omega-3 phospholipids, protected by the strong antioxidant astaxanthin. Research, including clinical studies, provides solid documentation of Superba krill's health benefits. Omega-3 phospholipids disperse naturally in water. The omega-3 triglycerides found in fish oil are not water dispersible. When taking a Superba supplement, the krill oil disperses in the digestive system. It is well tolerated, has no fishy aftertaste, and is reflux-free. The omega-3 phospholipids in Superba krill oil are more easily utilized by the body and are more bioeffective upon incorporation into cell membranes. Antarctic krill is low in the marine food chain, has a relatively brief life cycle, and lives in pristine waters. Thus, Superba krill oil is essentially free of environmental pollutants. Aker BioMarine harvests its krill resources in a sustainable way in the cleanest ocean on Earth.